Hello, my name is John. I'm a property manager with Chesapeake Property Management. Today, I want to share with you how we handle repairs. Our system ensures that repairs are done correctly, are fairly priced, and handled quickly, which will save you money and protect the value of your home. We provide our tenants with a 24-hour maintenance portal, and all maintenance requests are reviewed and handled by our designated maintenance coordinator. When tenants submit maintenance requests, the first step is always getting more information. At our new tenant orientation, the tenant will be shown how to submit detailed maintenance requests with all necessary information and helpful pictures. Once their request is received, our maintenance coordinator will call to follow up with questions and have them perform basic troubleshooting to determine if the issue can be addressed with basic, quick fixes. For example, making sure the power is on, resetting a GFI outlet, or using a zip-it tool to unclog a drain full of hair. If the tenant is unsure how to provide us with the necessary information or is unable to troubleshoot the issue, one of our property managers may visit the property to assist them. By taking the time to get more information, we can determine if hiring a vendor is truly necessary. We also use our tenant portal to receive property modification requests, which must be approved and signed by both parties before the modification can be completed. Here's a list of common property modifications that require landlord approval. Repainting, hanging TV mounts, installing bidets, and hanging wall fixtures that require drywall anchors. Chesapeake Property Management strives to coordinate repairs quickly and efficiently with vendors that we know, like, and trust, and ensuring the property continues to be well cared for. For more information on the systems we have in place to protect your home, please check out our website at chesapeakepropertymanagement.com. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.